All right, hello, Mia. Good evening.
Hello,
Okay, so I am the substitute teacher of Teacher Pard. My name is Teacher Mary. Nice to meet you. All right, so how are you, Mia?
I'm
How are
in
you, baby?
my name.
No, no, how are you?
I
Uh,
am
oh,
happy.
happy. Okay, show me your smile. Okay, so now, Mia, did you eat already?
Not yet.
Oh, not yet. Why? Okay, so do you know what is your food for tonight, baby? Do you know
I
what is your
don't.
meal? Oh, you don't know.
I think
Well,
meat.
oh, you think it's a meat. Oh, I like your background. It looks like unicorns.
Yes.
That's unicorns?
Yes.
Do you like unicorns, baby?
Yes, I like unicorn.
Okay, why do you like unicorns? Why
Like
do you
unicorn
like why do you like unicorns, baby?
because it's beautiful.
Oh, it's beautiful. All right, so now, baby Mia, are you ready to start with our class today?
Okay.
Okay, wait. Let me change mine as well. Okay, so now I will be sharing you my screen, okay? Oh, that's Detective Conan. That is not
Like
Unicorn.
Conan.
Oh, do you like Conan as well?
My sister like Conan.
Ah, your sister like Conan. Okay, all right. So I will be sharing the screen already, okay? Okay,
Okay.
so let's have a look with this one. Okay, can you see my screen right now or not yet?
Not yet.
Oh, not yet. Okay, wait. Let me check. Uh-huh. Okay, let me go back to this one. And actually, I was looking for a unicorn background, but I don't know why I cannot find it. So I have this.
You're right in My Little Pony.
Oh, Little Pony. Okay.
My Little Pony.
My
My
Little Pony.
Little Pony.
Okay.
My
My Little.
Little
It is
Pony.
correct?
The first one, yes. See,
Wow,
I
you
like
have a
that
lot.
movie.
Oh,
I like
movie?
that movie. Yes, that one is the movie. I really like
Okay.
that.
I will watch this one later on. Maybe this is so nice. All right, so now
I like the
let's.
guy yellow one. It's Applejack.
Oh, which one? Which one here?
This guy, the have a hat. The hat.
Hat. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Can you
Here,
circle
the
it on
hat.
the screen?
Here, the hat.
Can you circle it on the screen, baby? I cannot see it.
I will show for you. I so natural. Hmm.
Uh-huh.
I will.
Okay, does this unicorn has a names? Does this unicorn has a names, baby? Or this pony has a name? Hello? Are you still there?
I'm here.
All right, okay. So now let's already start with our class for tonight. So as you can see, we have here lesson 1.7. So we are going to talk about adverbs. Okay, so what is an adverbs, baby?
Adverb mean adverb mean
Adverb are words.
a word.
Okay, adverbs are words that describe or modify a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or even entire sentence. They often tell us how, when, where, how often, or to what extent something happens. Okay? So, as you can see, what you're going to do here is I need you to solve it. Okay? Read the sentences below. Find the adverb in each sentence. Write it on the lines after the sentence. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so what you're going to do, baby, is you just need to write. Okay? Write it on the
Oh,
lines after the sentences. Are you ready?
yes.
Okay, and you can start now. Can you write it on the screen?
Okay, but wait, writing. I don't write the word in
Yes, baby.
mm,
You need to find the adverb in each sentence. I will give you an example, okay? So
okay.
number one, okay, can you read number one first? Number one is,
Number one is
okay, can you read number one? The prince,
the green the
okay, can you read it? The prince,
the green slowly
uh-huh,
slowly
slowly, next,
map
climb,
lamb
next,
lamb
uh-huh, the prince slowly climb,
slowly lamb lamb
Rapunzel's,
victims cell
Rapunzel's,
Rapunzel.
okay, next, long hair.
Oh my god.
All right, are you doing something, baby? You can finish that one first.
I stop it for down.
All right, okay, that's okay. Okay, can you read it again? The prince,
The queen, um, the queen
yes, slowly,
slowly
next,
rally,
uh-huh, climb,
lamb,
Rapunzel's long hair.
running the long hair.
All right, the prince slowly climbed Rapunzel's long hair. Okay, so now, baby, what is the adverb in this
Mm,
sentence? What is the adverb? The adverb
Adverb
is,
is
okay, I will give you this one as an example so that you can answer number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? So the adverb of this sentence is slowly. Okay, so this is like this.
uh,
Okay, this one. Slowly. So now, how about number 2, baby? Can you read number 2? Okay, read number 2, baby.
mm, number two is
Yes.
mm,
Number 2.
um
Little
little red riding holding
riding
live home.
Okay. Let Little Red Riding Hood.
Riding Hood.
Little Red Riding Hood.
Oh my, I
Yes, baby.
little
Okay, can you read it? Little Red Riding Hood.
little 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 home. A
Little
little
Red Riding Hood.
hood safely
returned home.
restore home.
All right, Little Red Riding Hood safely returned home. Okay, so what is the adverb, baby?
Uh,
Okay, what is the adverb of this sentence? Red Riding Hood safely returned home. So what is the adverb of this sentence?
um,
Yes, baby.
willing.
All right. So the answer, the adverb of this sentence is safely. Okay, very good. Safe. Okay, wait. Let me help you. Safely. Okay, how about number 3? Can you read number 3? The
Um,
wolf.
number 3.
Yes, baby. Number 3, baby. The wolf.
Mm, the wolf
Okay, the wolf hid outside.
is outside.
Okay, so what is the
Outs-
adverb? What is the adverb, baby?
outside.
Okay, so the adverb is outside.
Outside.
Okay, just wait.
Mm,
Okay, how about number 4? Can you read number 4?
number 4.
Number 4 is,
Um,
okay, number 4 is Jack.
number 4
Jack
is
climbed
yeah, lie.
Okay, next may be Jack climbed
Chop lie
down the beanstalk.
down the bend
Beanstalk
bento
to escape the giant. To escape,
to lay
escape
is pay
the giant.
the giant.
All right, once again, Jack climbed.
Chop lie
Okay, sorry. Jack
chop
climbed down
lie down
the beanstalk
the bento
to escape the giant.
to escape the giant.
Okay, very good. So what is the adverb? Okay, what is the adverb, baby?
Um, the apple.
Okay, what do you think is the adverb? The adverb is, okay, so once again, Jack climbed down the beanstalk to escape the giant. So what is the adverb, baby, in that sentence?
Um,
Okay, what is the adverb?
the
So the
apple.
adverb is,
The apple is.
okay, what is the answer, baby Mia? Jack
Babe.
climbed down the beanstalk to escape the giant. So what do you think is the adverb of the number 4? So the adverb for this one is the word down.
Um,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. All right. So next we have number 5. Can you read number 5? The
Mm,
cast. Again, the
number
cast.
5.
Yes, baby. The
The
cast.
cat proudly bowed at the end of the play.
All right. The cast proudly bowed at the end of the play. So what is the adverb?
Um,
Okay, what is the adverb?
the adverb is
The adverb is,
brown.
all right. So the adverb actually is proudly. Okay, can you say it again? Proudly.
Brownie.
Proud,
Brown.
proudly. Okay, so, all right, very good, baby. Okay, so now, baby Mia, since we don't have much enough time to extend our class for tonight. So that would be all for tonight, baby Mia. I hope that you enjoy something. You enjoy and you learn something from our discussion tonight. So goodbye and see you again. I hope to
Bye.
see you again. Bye bye.
Bye.